Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to exit in a WhatsApp community. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On the WhatsApp app, what we're going to do is go to the communities and click the community that we want to leave or that we want to exit. On the top right of the screen, there are three dots. Simply press the three dots there and go to community info. You're going to simply scroll down and you have three options: exit community, report community, or deactivate community. If you are just a member in the community, you can just simply press exit community. However, if you are the owner of the community, all you need to do, or what you have to do, is to deactivate the community first. So if you're just a member, you can simply just press exit community. However, if you are the owner, press the deactivate community and deactivate. And from there, the community will be deactivated, or if you are a member, you will have successfully exited the community. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.